Hi, we're talking about the launch of the new Smith multi-use line of sprayers. I am going to talk about the new 2-gallon Smith multi-use Pump Zero sprayer. I am going to talk about the new 2-gallon Smith multi-use Pump Zero sprayer. So this is a powered sprayer. I want to first and foremost talk about the design of the sprayer. Then we'll talk a little bit about the power plant and some of the users and applications that will be performed with this. So notice first and foremost that we use a tapered tank. This is a 2-gallon tank. The reason for the taper is it gets wider at the base, and what that's going to do is it's going to prevent tipping when you're using it on uneven grounds or just in general. Notice also there's a tray integrated in the base and there's a clip up at the top. So this is your wand retention system. The tray does two things. A, it protects the nozzle when I'm slamming the sprayer down on the ground, but also what it's going to do is if there's any dripping going on, it's going to prevent drips from hitting the ground and potentially marring the surface that I'm walking across or working on. Also on the tank here is a pressure release mechanism. So this is designed so that when the tank is under pressure, at the end of the day, before I open up the tank, I shut off the sprayer, I bleed all the pressure by pulling this up, then I can open and not have anything spray out on me. So it's a safety feature that's built in for the user. I want to talk about the hose, the shut-off wand and nozzle mechanism. So the hose is a 48-inch, highly reinforced hose, so it's less likely to kink, it won't degrade and wear on you over time. Your shutoff here is very ergonomic, feels very comfortable in the hand. There is a lock-on mechanism right here, so you can lock it in the on position or let it unlock it. In the handle here, there is a filter basket to prevent the shutoff itself and the nozzles from clogging. I have a 21-inch poly wand. Now the poly wand is designed to be very flexible and really indestructible, so it's going to last a long time. Nozzle assortment. So the nozzle that I have installed here right now is the included brass adjustable nozzle. It is designed to stream on a pin stream a long distance, up to about 20 feet plus. It's also designed to adjust into a wide conical pattern. So that's one of the nozzles that are included. Also included in this set, you're going to get a capture nut with 3 different size or style fan nozzles. So you get a low flow yellow fan, a medium flow red fan, and a very high flow brown nozzle. They're all fan patterned and they'll allow you to do a wide range of applications, which we'll talk about in just a minute. All right, let's talk about this Pump Zero head and its design and why it's really a game changer. Yep. So what you have here is you have a compressor. In the handle here is a battery package. You have a motor, pump, and a pressure switch. When I turn this unit on, it's going to blow out of the base of the unit here, out of this Viton seal, and it's going to pressurize the tank. When it reaches 24 psi, it's going to shut off. As I'm using the sprayer and the pressure drops down to about 16 psi, it's going to kick back on. It's going to allow me on a full charge to do approximately 24 gallons or 12 tanks of chemical. The included charger looks like this. It's designed to plug right into the outlet right here on the side. It takes 3 hours to charge the head up. And then once it's charged, you're ready to go. And like I said, up to 24 gallons on a charge. Screw it in, turn it on, and it'll run. It is a game changer in that with a traditional pump sprayer, you spend 20% of your time stopping and pumping. With this design, you never have to stop. You can just spray continuously. It's going to speed your work up by 20%, but more importantly, it's going to give you a much more consistent output of application rate. So let's talk about applications. The users are wide and varied. That's why it's called Smith Multi-Use. First and foremost, your lawn and landscape professional or homeowner is going to be spraying things like fungicides, herbicides, and liquid fertilizers. Great for that with the Viton seals that you have in here. More recently, we had a lot of questions about sanitizing, especially with COVID-19 being such a scourge. So this is designed so it can spray things like quaternary ammonium, chlorine dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, and chlorine-based sanitizing agents. It can also spray cleaners for molds and mildews, which are usually chlorine-based. It will do liquid ice melt and pre-treats, and The question of concrete comes up sometimes, so if I want to spray a penetrating water-based sealer, fantastic for that, as long as it's lower viscosity. Also really good for water-based stains for concrete decorative finishes. So a wide range of chemical applications can be done with this sprayer. It's designed to be very durable and to work 20% faster than a traditional pump sprayer because of this special Pump Zero head. You can find us at your local Smith distributor.